So, I mean, I don't think you're a good candidate. I mean, you should have known you can't purchase weapons. Court is calling 2025 CR 010997, State versus John Jacob Gomez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
David A. Garcia, attorney for John Gomez. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Both parties waived PSI.
We did, Judge.
According to your plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at a cap of 8 years in the prison. This run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. The state is opposed to your application. Is he currently on probation?
He's on parole, Judge.
Parole. Right. Are there any state, do you have any witnesses? Defense, any witnesses?
And Judge, I think the case that he's on parole for is a 2003, not 2023.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 2003 CR 6499B.
No witnesses, Judge, just argument.
All right.
Your Honor, the state's position is that Mr. Gomez is not fit for any type of community supervision, but rather for incarceration. He has already done 3 previous trips. The most recent being for an ag robbery in 2004. So because of that,
All right. Defense.
Judge, I understand the state's argument. On paper, it looks bad, but Mr. Gomez here, he went to prison for a case out of 2003 for an ag robbery. He sat in prison for about 17 and a half years. He got out on parole, has been working at Paisano's restaurant as a chef for the last 4 years. He was helping to raise his three boys, helping his elderly mother. Everything had been going well. He was doing well at work. What was the name of the chef you were working under?
Under Chef Raul.
Under Chef Raul, he had high hopes. And it's true that the path to hell's paved with good intention, Judge. His brother needed someplace to stay. He felt he couldn't let his brother live out on the street, so he let his brother live with him. Unfortunately, the brother ended up having a warrant for his arrest. When a warrant was executed at his house, they came in, they found the brother, they found a gun. Because it's his house, he was charged. Mr. Gomez knew he could take this to trial. He didn't want to waste the court's time. He knew that he made a mistake by having his brother live there. It was his house, thus he was in possession. And so we took this plea. We're hoping that you give him this opportunity to prove himself. I know it's based on his record, it looks bad, but you know, he did spend his time. It was 22 years ago that the ag robbery occurred, and he was trying to do well. If you can give him an opportunity, he can prove himself, Judge. He's willing to abide by any condition.
All right. Is there anything you wish to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right. In the stipulations, you admitted that you're the person who purchased the weapons.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, I mean, I don't think you're a good candidate. I mean, you should have known you can't purchase weapons. All right. Here you go. So the court is going to find you guilty. The state is asking for a cap of 8 years. Is there any argument with regards to the cap?
Just simply, Judge, that he was trying to do well. He knows he made a mistake. He's accepting responsibility for it, Judge, by taking this plea and not making the state take him to trial and waste the court's time. So we're asking that you be as lenient as you can.
All right. And state.
the cap is more than generous considering the prior criminal history, so we would just ask the consent.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. I'm sorry, not 2023. It will run concurrent with 2003 CR 6499B. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and as you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You know what position you're in. You know, if you don't know, if you didn't know before, you now know. You're not allowed to possess weapons. You're a felon, right? And you shouldn't let anybody in your space that is going to potentially result in you being charged with something that's illegal because you know what you're facing. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Well.
Yes. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Joshua Sutherland, page 2, 4 down.
Joshua Sutherland?
Morning, Joe. Sorry, I stepped out a second.
Oh, it happens. Hello.
Busy day.
Let me see. All right, today's plea deadline date.
So I spoke with the prosecutor. He got me the discovery that was missing. We just needed a trial setting, Judge.
All right, how long? All right, Norma, I need a jury trial date, February. And I need an acknowledgement of discovery, Sam.
I'll get that done, Judge. I'll have that turned in.
All right, your jury trial date is going to be February 24th. Your plea deadline date is expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this cause without good cause. Do you understand? Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. All right, just have a seat. They'll be reading the reset form to you. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am. Derek Lopez, Funk, page 2, 3 down.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Derek Lopez. All right, and with regards to that on the system, they say that's something the clerks don't handle. Will have to be done. Maybe you can talk to Lance.
Okay, I will talk to him.
All right, Mr. Lopez, it's listed on the system. I told your attorney and the state is aware and the clerks are aware. On the printout, it says you're a fugitive, but obviously you're not a fugitive and there's no warrant that's listed for you. I don't know if what is on this document goes to officers or not when they're driving around, but your attorney will check into that. So if for some reason, if you're pulled over, just be kind and know that your attorney will take care of it and know that it's a mistake, but don't get upset because when people get upset, that usually meaning other charges.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're here for discovery issues.
Judge, so I'm not sure who was handling this before. I did have a chance to confer with Mr. Funks today. The defendant does have an unindicted case in which there is outstanding discovery. I have made a request to pull the discovery that we do have on the case so far and have it uploaded to the case that is indicted. That way Mr. Funk will have an opportunity to review that and advise.
All right, and what degree of felony is the unindicted case?
Second degree.
All right, is that,
At large though, so I can't, it's not something that can be appointed on, so they're having to, for that reason, the discovery that's there, they have to put it onto this case number, so that's what they're doing now.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, if you can recall this for discovery in January, please, towards the end.
I did make a request today for it to be uploaded to if I were to case.
That's fine.
By then.
All right, so what we'll do is on January 29th, make sure all the discovery is in and state if you'll be prepared to tender an offer at that time.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring it to you.
Thank you so much. I'll be over.
All right, you too.
Thank you. I just can't, I'm not asking you to sign, what is, that's, you signed the approval to increase the money, so that's just the final.
Mhm.
I'm gonna call you in.
Oh, thank you. That'd be great.
Yes.
I'm gonna stay right here then.
This next one is on page 3, Judge, the first one, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Joe Rodriguez. So, Mr. Blanc, on this case, these cases,
Yeah, there's a bunch.
yeah, where are we on discovery?
I think that I have everything now.
All right, has the state been able to tender an offer or no?
Yes.
All right, then what we'll do is I will recall this back.
Can we come on that same day?
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
put it, Norma, put this for a plea deadline date on January 29th.
Yes, ma'am.
And state on Joe Rodriguez, if you can do acknowledgements of discovery for the court to sign, please. All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No, my I was just talking to my attorney. Because there was an offer paid this.
Oh, so what ends up happening, the state will tender an offer, you and your attorney will have a chance to discuss it. And maybe your attorney will make a counter offer. I'm not really supposed to know about what any offer is until I accept an offer. All right, so we'll come back on January 29th.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And Mr. Blanc, if you'll make sure you sign the acknowledgement of discovery on that one.
Yes, Judge.
Take more. I have that one right there too.
Who else is ready?
James Gonzalez, page 8, second division judge.
That's what happened.
James Matthew Gonzalez. Hello, good morning. So y'all have received all discoveries?
We have, and the state has extended a recommendation of pretrial diversion, so we're asking the court to give us time to make that application.
All right, if you also could also do an acknowledgement of discovery for me, please. And I need a PTD date.
Yes, ma'am. I can do January 12th.
That's fine.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That's form set.
And Deputy Miller, what are our students there with what?
Ardendale.
Hi, Hollindale students. Please, you have permission to move around the courtroom. Attorneys, if you could please talk to the students there from Harlingdale.
Sorry, I didn't mean.
So, move around. Yeah. Talk to the attorneys. Guys, they're shy. So if you all could please reach out to them and let them know what you're doing and what you do. All right, thank you. Yeah, come through. So I tell you what, we'll start with
Okay.
Ashley and Rick. They're right in front of you. So the Harlingdale students are behind you. If you guys can let them know what you do and. All right, who's next?
Louis De Leon, page 12, 2 down, is an MTR. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that's not, I apologize. And it's Patrick.
Luis De Leon.
What's his name? No, Patrick Allen.
Oh, Patrick Valentine?
He's just getting a signature.
Oh, okay.
He's right there.
Hi, Hunter. How's it going?
Oh, Judge, it's good. Just trying to get a lot done before the holidays. For
Are you ready?
the holidays, absolutely not, Judge. Emotionally, yes. Practically, no.
Oh, gosh.
Can I beg just a moment to go grab Jay in the hall?
Hello, no problem. So today is set for a contested.
Sorry.
This, I just wanted to make for the council.
Yeah.
Piece. So Judge, in talking with the witnesses, as mind you, this is a first setting. So we had a bond hearing previously and it was
Yes.
set to contested. So in talking with the CSO and then witnesses that are part of the allegations currently on the MTR, it sounds like there is another incident that could substantively affect the allegations on the MTR, potentially other cases that I have not been able to flush out yet. This is information we received about 3 days ago. So courtesy to defense, I let you know. I'm trying to see if there's any law enforcement response and police reports associated with that. But we'd ask for a little bit of time to get that information.
Obviously, if we were to go forward with it, we want the court to hear everything. 'Cause it makes no logic to file a new MTR down the road if there's new allegations. But also, we have filed a motion to withdraw based on Mr. DeLeon has had an inability to.
All right, do you have the motion?
I have a copy. It's been e-filed, Your Honor, but
All right, are you aware that your attorneys wish to withdraw?
Well, they told me that right now. We were talking and I wasn't aware that this was gonna keep moving forward. But they were continuing to withdraw. We were talking right now and so, I mean, can we talk or?
no, Judge, I think the allegations keep growing and the obligation is not. So I think in fairness to Mr. DeLeon, if he is
Now,
going to.
here's my question. Right, they filed a motion to withdraw. Here's the thing, in this court, I like to take things in an orderly fashion. Before I even address this reset, I want you to speak to your attorneys about the motion to withdraw, and they will explain to you why they're seeking to withdraw.
Okay.
Either you agree to their withdrawal or not. If you don't agree to their withdrawal, I'll still have a hearing on the motion to withdraw today.
Okay.
Because if I were to grant it, I don't want you to be in limbo with no attorney.
Okay.
All right? So if y'all have a seat and just let me know quickly because we're going to recess this morning docket shortly.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
And